Today I'm doing a side-by-side comparison between suet cakes. I'm going to compare a big box store chain suet cake to one of our Wild Birds Unlimited suet cakes. Similar weights. First, I want to get a proper weight on the actual cake. So the big box store cake actually weighs about ½ an ounce below package weight. The Wild Birds Unlimited cake weighs almost an ounce more. The most important ingredient and the most expensive ingredient in a suet cake is the actual suet. So to figure out how much suet is really inside, I'm melting down the big box store suet square, and I'm going to send it through the strainer in order to remove the seed and capture the suet. Once I'm done with this, I can see that cake has about 1/3 cup of actual suet, and the rest is seed mix. The weight on the liquid suet is about 2 1/4 ounces. Now, the ingredient list included things like milo, and milo is a bird seed that none of the birds in Michigan eat, so I want to take that out and see how much it weighs. There's also black oil sunflower seed in the cake, so that's a good ingredient, so I want to get a weight on that as well. After about 3 episodes of Crime Junkie, I have sorted, and I've got a plate of a lot of millet and cracked corn. I have a small dish of black oil sunflower seed, a larger dish of that filler seed milo, and a small seed that wasn't on the ingredients list, but I think it's barley, possibly. The sunflower weighs just over ½ an ounce. The milo, again, that filler seed no one eats in Michigan, is a full 2 ounces. So there's only about 25% quality ingredients in the big box store suet cake. So to compare to ours, I'm going to put Wild Birds Unlimited suet cake through the same process. I'm melting it down so I can strain out the solid peanut. And I've got twice the suet in the Wild Birds Unlimited cake. So 2/3 cup. No need to sort with tweezers. The rest is peanuts. And on the scale, it's over 4 1/2 ounces of suet. Now that's a testimony to you get what you pay for. Now, suet can be served year-round, including in the summer, because we offer a no-melt suet option. Avoid a mess like this while enjoying summertime visitors to your suet feeder.